Your IoT device works perfectly in one country, so why does it suddenly struggle when you deploy it somewhere else? The surprising answer is, it usually isn't the device that's the problem. Many people assume that if a country has cellular coverage, an IoT device should just work. But international IoT deployments are much more complicated than that. Every country has different mobile carriers, different frequency bands, different roaming agreements, and sometimes even different regulations. So while the device may look exactly the same, the network it's connecting to can be completely different. Imagine you test your device in the United States and everything works perfectly. Then you ship the exact same hardware to Europe or South America. Even with an active SIM card and good coverage, the device may struggle because it doesn't support the local frequency bands, the carrier handles roaming differently, or the IoT technology you're using, like LTE-M or NB-IoT, isn't available on that network. That's why successful global IoT deployments require more planning than simply inserting a SIM card. Before expanding into a new country, it's important to understand how local networks operate, what technologies they support, and how your device will connect once it's in the field. If you're planning an international IoT deployment, we've put together a detailed guide covering frequency bands, roaming, network compatibility, and the most common connection challenges teams face when expanding globally. You can read the full article on our site. The link is in the description. And if you're interested in learning more about IoT, be sure to subscribe for more simple, practical explanations of the technology behind connected devices.